How to delete account bio history on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select on the hamburger icon at the top right corner and simply select on your activity options. As you select on your activity, what you can simply do is scroll down. And here you can see the option of account history. So simply select on account history. As you tap on account history, tap on update type option at the top right corner of the screen. Here select on bio and then tap on apply. Now here you'll be able to see all the account bio history over here. Now what we want to do is simply clear all. So tap on clear all option at the top right corner. And as you do that, you'll be able to just delete account bio history on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.